Chapter 3, Part 59. It is related that Jalal cured one of his disciples of an intermittent fever by writing down the following invocation on paper, washing off the ink in water and giving this to the patient to drink, who was, under God's favor, immediately relieved from the malady. O mother of the sleek one, a nickname of the Tertian Agu, if thou hast believed in God, the most great, make not the head to ache, vitiate not the swallow, eat not the flesh, drink not the blood, and depart thou out of so and so, betaking thyself to someone who attributes to God partners of other false gods. And I bear witness that there is not any God save God, and I testify that Muhammad is his servant and apostle. And out of the, final testimony, La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah, Muhammad Abduhu wa Rasuluhu. Okay. But out of that comes the rest of it. You're not going to have the blood and the unlawful flesh, and you're not going to mistreat animals. You're not going to mistreat the people, Well, at least eventually, if you, the more you take to it, the more the rest of it follows.